Hello everyone, welcome back to Genomics Genesis. Today we'll be discussing the Biological Classification chapter, part 3. But before we get started, let's look into this figure. Can you tell me whether this is a plant or an animal? NEET asked this question in 2016 and 2020. Can you guess what is it? This is nothing but Euglena. In light, it makes food like a plant, whereas in the dark, it eats food like an animal. Linnaeus put everything in two kingdoms, Plantae and Animalia. But this thing broke biology. Welcome to part 3 of biological classification. I am Maitri from Genomics Genesis, and in the next few minutes, you will learn about the CRMCN trick that gives you 4 marks guaranteed. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Before the year 1969, biologists were confused by three questions. The first problem was bacteria. They have no nucleus like animals, but have rigid cell wall like plants. So, can you say where do we put it? The second problem was of fungi. It has cell wall, but it has no chlorophyll. It eats dead stuff. It's not making food, it's absorbing it. Now, can you tell me whether it is a plant or an animal? Confusing, right? And another problem comes in, that is the Euglena, which is a NEET's favorite topic, which has chlorophyll plus flagella, where in the light it shows photosynthesis, whereas in the dark it is heterotrophic. This is nothing but a mixotropic nutrition. The two kingdoms could not answer this. So, in the year 1969, R.H. Whittaker said enough. He gave us the five kingdom classification, that is, Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. But NEET does not just ask the names, they ask on what basis did he divide them. And that is the answer to your 4 marks. The trick is CRMCN. So let's discuss the CRMCN table. This is the CRMCN table. Here you will get guaranteed 4 marks questions in your NEET exam. So without any delay, take a screenshot of this table so that it becomes easy during your NEET preparation. C. C stands for cell type. Prokaryotic means no nucleus. Only Monera is prokaryotic. Rest 4 kingdoms are eukaryotic. R stands for ribosome. 70S is Monera only. Think 70S old bacteria. 80S is everyone else's. M stands for mode of nutrition. Auto, plants only. Hetero, fungi plus animals. Both, that is autotrophic plus heterotrophic, is shown by Protista like Euglena. C stands for cell wall. This is the NEET's first trap. Peptidoglycan is present in Monera only. Chitin is present in fungi only. Cellulose is present in plants only. Whereas animals have no cell wall. If you say Animalia and peptidoglycan present together in MCQ, it's wrong. N stands for nuclear membrane, absent only in Monera, present in the rest 4. NEET asks one question from this every 2 years. If you learn CRMCN, you won't lose marks here. Whittaker also used 3 more things. First is the body organization, that is unicellular versus multicellular. Second is phylogeny, based on evolutionary history. And the third is ecological role, that is producer, decomposer, consumer. If NEET option says all of this, mark it. AIPMT 2014 asked this question directly. So this slide is also important as the previous slide. The biggest NEET trap comes here. Viruses, viroids, and lichens are not included in the five kingdoms. Why? Because they are unicellular. They have no cell structure. Virus is just protein plus DNA. If the question says you which is not included in Whittaker's system, you simply answer that it is virus. Now, let's solve some PYQs and see how much you all have understood. The first PYQ question is that was asked in NEET 2016. That is, in the five kingdom classification, the unicellular eukaryotic organisms are placed in Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae. You all are getting 5 seconds. Answer fast. Now, let's reveal the correct answer. The answer is option B, that is Protista. The trick: unicellular plus eukaryotic equals to Protista, and Monera is prokaryotic. Good. Now, the second question that was asked in AIPMT 2024. The five kingdom classification by Whittaker is based on cell structure, mode of nutrition, phylogeny, all of this. You again get 5 seconds. Now, let's reveal what is the answer. The answer is all of this. If you see all, mark it. Here is a short trick. The CRMCN table plus body form plus mode of nutrition plus phylogeny. If you see this, mark your answer as all of this. The third and the last question of today is, which pair is not correctly matched? This question was asked in the year NEET 2020. Fungi, chitin, Plantae, cellulose, animal or Animalia, Peptidoglycan and Monera, Peptidoglycan. You get again 5 seconds to solve this answer. Now, let's reveal the answer. The correct answer is option C, that is Animalia Peptidoglycan. Here is the reason. Please read it in details. And one more thing. The three questions that I have asked you in this video, please comment down your answers below so that I can understand how much you all have understood. The next video will be coming on Kingdom Monera, where we will be learning about the MHT tricks for Archaebacteria plus PPLO, which is Mycoplasma, which is the NEET's one of the favorite 1 mark question topic. If you like my video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and also do not forget to press the bell icon to get notifications of my videos. If you have learned CRMCN today, comment CRMCN below. It helps me know you are watching. Like, subscribe and hit the bell for part 3. PDF notes will be provided in the description box. I'll be seeing you in part 3. Thank you.